Welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with news on football. Jamaica's senior reggae boys have risen 2 places to number 55 in the latest FIFA World Rankings, which were released on Thursday by the world governing body and remain the number 1 ranked Caribbean country. Jamaica, who claimed a bronze medal at the recent CONCACAF Nations League finals, moved from 57th with the 1-0 win over Panama. The Jamaicans were beaten 3-1 by the United States in the semi-finals and remain 6th in CONCACAF, 3 places behind Costa Rica, who climbed 2 places to 52nd. Nations League winners United States are in the leader's spot in CONCACAF, jumping 2 places to 11th, while runners-up Mexico moved up a place to 14th. Panama slipped a spot to be 45th, while Canada inched up a place to be 49th. World champions Argentina remain number 1, with Belgium replacing England to be 3rd behind France. Brazil round out the top 5. Jamaicans Danian Parchment and Odette Hamilton have been selected by FIFA to officiate at this summer's Olympics in Paris. Parchment will work as a video match official, while Hamilton has been selected as support staff. The FIFA Referees Committee has appointed 89 match officials, comprising 21 referees, 42 assistant refs, 20 video match officials, and 6 support referees from 45 countries to officiate matches at the Olympic football tournaments. The women's tournament will commence on July 25 and conclude with the gold medal match at the Parc des Princes in Paris on August 10. The men's competition will begin on July 24, while the gold medal match will take place on August 9, also at the Parc des Princes. Liverpool can move back to the top of the English Premier League table later today when they host Sheffield United at Anfield starting at 1:30 Jamaica time. The Reds were overtaken by Arsenal, who moved to 68 points, 1 ahead of Liverpool following an easy 2-0 win over Luton Town on Wednesday. The day's other game kicks off at 2:15 with Manchester United in 6th playing away to Chelsea in 12th at Stamford Bridge. Chairman of the local organizing committee for the Jamaica Athletics Invitational, Ludlow Watts, is promising high-level track and field action for the nation's fans on May 11 when the meet makes its debut. In what will be a World Continental Tour meet, Watts is confident that the meet, which has taken the place of the Jamaica International Invitational, will be of high quality, given that 14 events will be contested in over 2.5 hours.
We have a number of partners, international locals, got them prepared to deal with the National Federation. They have partnered with the Jamaica Athletics Association and partnering with the event, which is not necessarily always the same as the fully day trade. So the point, we have decided that all our events, everything that we do, will be done on the umbrella Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association Invitational, day trade invitational. So that's what we will run. So it's part of fully day trade, fully run by day trade, fully managed by day trade. Although that was the case in the past.
However, Watts has hinted that this year will be the birth of what's to come for many more years.
We have started up to play, but going forward like next year, we have everything in place for going forward in the biggest way ever. In other words, everything is already in place for next year and the next year and the next year and the next year. So this year, we might not fully capture everything that athletes would that face an international meet would have, a Diamond League would have, but by next year, nobody will not fall below any Diamond League event in terms of quality of athletes, leadership, management of the system, and everything that goes into making an event that is spectator friendly, athlete friendly in every aspect of what you're doing.
And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.